Some Blast FM worldwide, for the real ones there. If the money gone tomorrow, would you still there by my side? Yeah. If the road get dark and narrow, would you stay through every night? Oh, got plenty switch when the rain start fall. Only true love answer when you call. When the pressure rise and the system tough, tell me right now if your heart stays strong enough. Me come from struggle and pain, days in the sun, nights in the rain. Still give thanks, come and break every chain. Now the whole world know my name. Mama used to pray on the floor every night. Now the family finally alright. No fake friends vanish out of sight, but the real girl still hold me tight. Girl, me know the fame gets scary. Enemies are free and the lifestyle heavy, but you never switch up on me yet. Still hold me down when the wallet empty. Cause the fast life come with scars. Big chains now heal the part. Need one queen fi balance the odds while me fight you pressure and start. Then I need perfect love, just honesty and trust. When the world get cold outside, they still they close enough. From the corner to the stages, to all my different phases, one real touch worth more than all these likes and praises. If the money gone tomorrow, would you still there by my side? If the spotlight fade and disappear, would you still ride? Cause loyalty rare nowadays. Everybody love when the champagne spray, but true love stay when the hype die